Hello dear children, once again welcome back you all to our online classes. So you know that we have started the electricity and circuits. So in our yesterday's class, we have already discussed about an electric cell. Yes, what is the electric cell? An electric cell is a source of electricity. So electric cell is having some chemicals in it. So those chemicals will supply the electricity. So those cells will work till they used up all the chemical energy what is filled inside the electric cell. So an electric cell is the source of electricity. So this is the structure of electric cell. So this electric cell is having a metal cap here, or the metallic tip. So and one end is the metallic base, and this base is what? The negative terminal. So there are two terminals are there. One is positive and one is negative. So the terminal, the end which is having the metal tip, so that we call as the positive terminal, and the metal disc is called as the negative terminal. So these are the two terminals are there in the electric cell. This is an electric cell. And see here, in this electric cell, there are two terminals, positive and negative. We know that. And electric cell, it is the source of electricity. Okay. And now, and also in our previous class, we have discussed in which cases the bulb which is connected with this electric cell will on, and when the bulb it will not glow. So about that we have discussed in our previous class, and today's class we can discuss about an electric circuit. So how to form an electric circuit? About that we can discuss in the today's class. So see here, to understand an electric circuit, so again we can just recall what we have learned in the yesterday class. An electric circuit. So see, yesterday I showed in your textbook also it is given. So to make the circuit we need a cell. Okay, this is the cell, and it is having a base and a metallic tip, right? So this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Okay, and here this is connected with a wire, and even this negative terminal also connected with the wire. So you can fix it by using the tape which is used by the electrician, or you can fit it with the rubber. ನೀವು ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, or else you can fix it with the tape. Electricians ಎಲ್ಲ tape ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಂಟ್ಪಟ್ಟಿ. So by using that also you can fix it. And again you take an bulb, okay, an electric bulb you can take. So this will be like this, and here this will be connected to two thick wire, and here for this and one more thin wire is connected, yes, and one end is connected with the metallic tip, and one end is connected with the base, okay, at the center of the base here. So this is for the bulb, and again fix two more wires to this also bulb. Okay, it is an electric bulb and it is an electric cell. So now in yesterday class we have discussed about the conditions when it is switched on, means when we switched on or when we connected, when the bulb on and when it will not, means when the bulb will glow and when it will not these all the ends, the terminals, they are connected. Okay, so that now the electricity is started flowing. So when it is all the terminals are connected. Yes, now see, positive terminal, negative terminal, these all are connected here. So when it is connected, so that it is complete. Okay, here the path is complete, so that the electricity can start flowing from this direction. So again it will reaches here, and again, so here also inside the connection also there. So this will, the thick wire, this is also connected with the filament. Yes, this is what the filament, and a thick wire is connected with the filament. Yes, so here at the base of the bulb one metallic tip is there. So to that it is connected, and one end is connected to the base. So everything is connected now, and the electricity will be flowing in this direction. So this flow of electricity go on takes place continuously when it is connected, means when the circuit is completely connected. So here see, every terminal, here positive terminal also connection is there, and here for the bulb, here also two terminals are there, for those also connection is there, and again for the negative terminal also connection is there. So complete connection is there here. So that nowhere, means here you can see in all the sides the connection is there, no break of path here anywhere. You know, complete path is yellow break agilla. So that we can say this as the complete circuit. And sometime you might have seen that even though these connections are all, even though it is correct, means if all the terminals are connected, then also sometimes the bulb will not glow. So what is the reason for that? Now I will show you a bulb so that you can understand. So see, this is the bulb. So can you see this clearly? Yes, it is the bulb. Can you see here in middle a thin filament is there? Yes. Can you see the filament here? Middle? Yes. Filament you can see inside. Okay. So this filament, it is made by tungsten. Okay. So when the electricity is supplied, so this filament what is there inside, so that filament will be heat up and it will glow, so that we get the light. So sometimes what happen, even though the connection is, means everywhere, even though if the connection is in proper manner, the filament, there may be a break in filament. So what we call for that? The bulb may be fused. Okay. So when the filament, when here center filament what is there here, if the filament is broken, then we say that the bulb may fuse. Bulb fuse ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Bulb fuse ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದು? Filament ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So when the filament is cut, again the path is broken, right? Now path break ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ wire ಅಷ್ಟೇ connection ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ path break ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. Even this filament also a good conductor. So that will also conduct the electricity, then only it heat up and then it glows. So that is what? The light. Right? So that even though these all the connections are correct, proper, but if this filament is broken, then also what we can say? The path is broken. So that if everything is correct here, if these all the connections are proper, but if the filament is cut, then we call it as the fused. Okay, the bulb may be fused. So that if the bulb is fused, then the path of the electricity, so electricity will supply till here, but here the path is not there to transfer the electricity, so the bulb will not go, because the circuit will not complete, the circuit become incomplete here, right? So that the bulb will not go, and this is also a reason. when even though all the connections are proper. So then also if the bulb will not glow means that is the reason for that is the bulb may be fused. Okay, and yesterday I said one more reason that even if the filament is correct, then also if it does not glow means the cell may be used up. So two conditions. So mainly two conditions, three conditions we can say. So to bulb, if it does not glow means there are three reasons are there for that. So those are either the wire connection may be improper. Yes, the connection of wires may be improper. Means the break may there anyway. The path may be cut off, so that the electricity will not supply or electricity will not transfer. This is one reason. And one more reason is the cell may be used up, the electric cell. So it is having some chemicals in it, so they will transfer the electricity. So sometimes if everything is properly connected, then also the bulb will not glow. The reason for that is the electric cell may be used up. Or one more reason is there. So the filament, the bulb may be fused. The bulb may be fused means, bulb is fused means what? The filament. Here there may be the break in the filament of the bulb. So these are the three conditions when the bulb will not glow. Okay. So because of all these three, the circuit will not complete. So that incomplete circuit will, in the incomplete circuit there is no electricity transfer. So if there is no electricity transfer means the bulb will not glow. Okay, and this is about what the electric circuit. So then how can we define the electric circuit then? Now we understood all this. Okay, so we understood that we say the complete circuit only when all the connections are proper. Okay, so what is this electric circuit? So how can we define the electric circuit? An electric circuit is a closed path for electric current to flow. So we can define as an electric circuit is a closed path for electric current, closed path for electric current to flow. Okay, so this is how we can define an electric circuit. So an electric circuit is a closed path for electric current to flow. Yes, it is closed path, right? So here the complete connection is there, means it is the closed path, so that it can allows the electric current to flow. So this is what an electric circuit. So see, now we can do like this, and we can also connect this with directly to the positive terminal. Okay, for example, now say this wire is not there. Okay, so now we can make our own torch. Now one wire is not there and we are connected negative terminal with the electric bulb, and you just take this definition also. Write this definition, and now we will explain the next thing. So now we can prepare our own torch. So here the bulb is there. Okay. So this is the filament. So if we want to, so this will be connected here and one end will be connected at the center. Okay. And see, now the wire is connected here, and if now there is no wire connection to the positive terminal the supply or the transfer of electricity takes place, and when the electricity transfer takes place, then the bulb will glow. But using this is not convenient. We can glow the bulb here, but light is using, it is not a convenient one. So always when we glow the bulb, so always we have to bring it near to the positive terminal, and so that it will not convenient, and that is the reason we need a switch. Okay, so now I will explain how to prepare your switch, own switch, and tomorrow I will bring all the things and I will demonstrate you. Now theoretically we can explain, you can understand this theoretically, and in the next class we can explain with the model. So now to prepare your own electric switch, so here electric switch. So how to prepare this? So to prepare this you need a thermocol, just a piece of thermocol, and then notice means we can use the pins. Okay, so 2 pins we need, means the drawing pins. Okay, you might have seen on the notice board the drawing pins will be there. So they are made up of the metals, and we know that metals are good conductors of the electricity. So the drawing pins we need, and also a safety pin and a piece of wires. So we need these things to do this or to prepare the switch of our own. So now what we have to do, how to prepare that. So to do this electric switch, so what I said, you need a piece of thermocol, a sheet of thermocol you need. So place the sheet of thermocol like this. Yes. And then you have taken 2 drawing pins and 1 safety pin. So the safety pin, which is having a ring here at the tip, it is having ring, right? So to this ring, here you place the safety pin. Okay, place the safety pin here, and then you insert the drawing pin in this ring. Okay, so that you just insert the drawing pin here, and 1 more drawing pin you have to insert here, so that you have to insert 1 more drawing pin here in such a manner that this safety pin can touch this. Yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು drawing pin ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು drawing pin ಅನ್ನು ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಪಿನ್ ಅದ ರಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ರಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಪಿನ್ ಗೆ, ಆ ರಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, we can move it easily. So safety pin ring ಒಳಗೆ ಆ ಪಿನ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, the safety pin can be moved easily. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಿನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಬಾಜು, okay, to the side of this 1 drawing pin, 1 more drawing pin we have to fix it in the thermocol, so that this safety pin can touch this. Safety pin touch ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. And then after this we have to connect the wires here. To this drawing pins we have to connect the wires, and then we have to connect a cell and the bulb. Suppose if you have connected a cell here, okay, so this is the cell which you have connected here, and this is the negative terminal and this is positive terminal, and 1 more, the bulb you can connect it in this. Okay, so this is what the bulb you have connected here, and 1 more wire you have to connect it with this. Okay, so this is what your circuit, and this is the switch. Okay, this arrangement what we have shown here is, so this is here what we have shown here, this is the switch. Okay, and here now Yes, it is incomplete circuit and the bulb will not glow. Why it is incomplete circuit? Because see, there is no closed path. Now it means that the switch is in the off position. Switch is not, means the switch is not on now. So it is in the off position. So when the switch is in the off position, so the path is incomplete. So this is incomplete. So when the circuit is incomplete, there is no glow of the bulb because no transfer of electricity, no flow of electricity through the circuit. So this is what we can say, switch in off position. Okay. When the switch is in the off position, there will be no flow of electricity, so that the bulb does not glow. The same thing is happen in your house also. And see, one more we can say. Now the same, this is in the off position. Now we can draw this for the on position. Okay. Now this is the thermocol sheet, and here we have fixed two drawing pins, and here we have attached a safety pin. So now we can connect this here. Okay, the safety pin, and the two wires are connected here, and here we have connected back a cell. This is negative terminal and this is positive terminal, and again this is connected with an electric bulb. Okay, so here the filament will be there. Yes. Yes. So see, now the bulb will on. Yes. In this case, the bulb will glow because the circuit is incomplete. Sorry, the circuit is complete now. So when the circuit is complete, now we can say, see, the safety pin, it is connected with both the pins. The safety pin, it is in connection with both the drawing pins. So here the circuit is closed, means it is the complete circuit. So when the circuit is complete, then there is the flow of electricity. So when the flow of electricity takes place, the bulb will on. So that what we can say, the switch in on position. Okay, now the switch is there in on position, right? So this is how even we can use this in our everyday life also. Okay, so see the filament. So it is takes place in our everyday life also, and in your home also you have the switch boards. Madam switch board irthavalri. So for that you have fixed the buttons. So those are what the buttons are, the switches. So when we on the switches, so that the circuit will become complete. So always we know that when we need the light, so that time we switch on the buttons, and so that the circuit will become complete. And when we switch off the button, so that time the connection will be break, so the circuit become incomplete, and the electric appliances, not only the bulb, so any kind of electrical appliances, like it may be the fan, or it may be the washing machine, it may be the fridge, or it may be the TV, any of the electrical appliances. So there is the switch is there, that is the both, means the connection will be there, wire connections inside that. If possible, when the repair works are taking place, just you can observe the connection of wires will be there inside. So for everything you have the different buttons. For TV button is different, and switch for the light is different, switch for the fan is different, and some extra switches. So extra switch will be there, so that you can use it for in the back. Okay, now we can discuss that. So now we can discuss about the torch. Here what you can see on the board is the inside view of a torch. So inside how all the things are arranged, means how all the connections are made. So that is shown here in this diagram. So it is what? The inside view of a torch. So here now we can discuss one by one. So here what? The reflector is there. Okay. So this is the reflector. So when the bulb on, the bulb is very small here. What the bulb we are using here is very small. But the light will be, when we on the torch, so this will give more light. So this is because the reflector is there side. So you can observe the silver color coating inside the walls of the torch. So that is act as the reflector. So when the bulb is on, it reflects the light so that we can get more light. Okay. And here this is the bulb, and here is the plastic casing, and this slide switch, and these two are the electric cells. So here the electric cells are arranged in a series, so that one another one more. So these two are arranged in a series, and the number of electric cells when it is connected together, we call it as the battery. Okay, if it is a single, we can say it as the electric cell. Suppose if two or more electric cells are joined together or combined together, then we can call them as the battery. So here these two are the electric cells. So they are connected here, the positive terminal and negative terminal, and again the positive terminal is connected with the negative terminal of this electric cell, and here the negative terminal is again connected with this slide switch. So like this connection is there, and also here it is connected with the bulb, and outside it is the plastic casing. Okay, the covering. So that is what? Plastic. And see here the slide switch. Here also the switch plays a very important role. So that the switch, the function of the switch is to connect and disconnect. Okay, the circuit. When we use the switches, so that we may break the path or we may join the path. So this can be done by using the switch. So see here now, here the slide switch will be there for the torch. So you might have saw, when we slide it forward, the torch will on. So what happened in that time? When we forward, when we move back the slide switch. Sorry, when we move forward the slide switch. So now slide switch e directional forward ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? So the connection takes place in between. So here the connection is there. So this will bring it towards the, means it will bring this electric cell in contact with this electric cell, so that these two will be come in contact with this bulb, so that the circuit will be complete and the bulb will on, and by this reflector the light will reflect and we get the more light. So when we want to off the battery, so that then we just slide it back, the switch, we just slide it back, the connection will be cut here, and when the connection is cut means what? We say that it is incomplete circuit and the bulb will off. So this is how the torch it works, and it is the inside view of the torch. Okay, do you understand? Yes. So likewise the connection. So always the circuit plays a very important role, so that only the is a fan or it is washing machine or it is mixer grinder or any of the electrical appliances, they work only when the electric circuit is complete. If it is incomplete, if the wire may burst or if anything is going, if it is fused, so in that case the circuit will be incomplete, so that there is no flow of electricity. So no flow of electricity means there is no work, means there will be any electrical appliances, they will not work, or if it is the bulb, then it will not grow. So likewise it will happen. Okay. So this is about the electric